Good morning, good morning, good morning. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. As you guys know, today is Friday. Let's go ahead and get started. Team, again, this week been a wonderful week. As you guys know, we've been having the most earning dates. So what we're gonna be talking about, we're gonna be talking about how easy it is to just set up your earnings on your platform under 1 or 2 minute chart and just take profit and follow the direction of the market. This week been really simple trading. We were able to profit on Bitcoin. As you guys can see, I uploaded a short to show you guys, and I mentioned it before that the breakout was gonna happen. So from 69 to 73, that's about 44,000 something point on Bitcoin, and right now it's doing a pullback according to the market. If you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, but I'll go ahead and break it down for you guys as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and enjoy what we got going here at Mr. Full Profit. Okay, team, like I mentioned before, this is the reason why I always bring this thing up, because at the end of the day, let me go ahead and move that. At the end of the day, you need to understand what you are doing on a daily basis, okay? Because at the end, it's all about taking profit. Right now is not the time to really look at the market as opportunity for long term, because there's so many distraction. We have the, what do you call that? We have the election coming in. We spoke about it a couple of weeks back, and stuff like that. So usually when it comes to earning, indicator doesn't usually trigger. The only indicator that triggers is my 2 minutes chart. Okay, for instance, I'm gonna go ahead and set up all my monitors. This is where all my monitors become really helpful. Okay, I set up everything under 2 minute chart. So guess what I'm doing right now? Right now I'm hunting. It's called the hunt game. My first screen is SPY. My second one is NVDA. My third one is Tesla, SMCI, DJT, MSTR, and QQQ. Perfect example, team. This is what I'm gonna show you guys. Let me go ahead and zoom in. Okay, at Mr. Full Profit. This is what's happening. Perfect example, we SPY. Okay, this is yesterday run. Okay, let me just adjust that on the days so you could have more days to see what we've been doing. Okay, if you look at this pattern here, right? Of course, for the new followers, the grayish area is aftermarket, but look what happened automatically. Look what ended up happening right at market open. This is my 250 moving average, right? Direction is on my favor. So pretty much what I did yesterday, on a put calls, I went and set up my put right at the market open, 9:30. It doesn't matter. It's below both of them. So guess what I did? I just shorted. I just short that baby from 491 and just rode it 491 to all the way somewhere here about 485. So that's about 6 points on win. So you guys tell me, with 200 contracts, if you guys do the math, how much money was I was able to profit yesterday. So I know I have so many different ones, but it doesn't really matter, team. All you gotta do, let's go back on the previous day. All you have to do is try to find a trade that's below those averages, those moving averages. If you could find that trade that makes sense for you, all you have to do is just short it and just be patient. That's all you have to do for the day. Even the day before, same pattern usually repeat themselves. This one here was about 500, the QQQ. That one, since it's pre-market, you could have just buy the short, okay, from 500 to 496. Load up with 20,000, 10,000, whatever money that you have pre-market, and just take the position. The graph, the pattern doesn't lie. When it comes to earning week, you have to trade smart. Okay, you trade smart. You just follow the trend, follow the candle, and just ride it. There is no need to complicate nothing. Everything is ready for you to just trade. Just follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Once you take that position, the only thing I ask you guys to do is put a stop loss on the top. Now, let me go ahead and show you guys when it comes to Bitcoin, what I was talking about. It seemed like some people got confused, or maybe they trade later than what I said, but you got to be ready, team. Okay, this is the daily chart. You remember we spoke about it somewhere around here. It was around 65, somewhere around 69,000. Okay, team, we spoke about this resistance. I didn't make this thing up. This thing was already. Now, from 68 to 73, that's a resistant. Pretty much there was another resistant. And guess what happened? It's pulling back. That don't mean that Bitcoin is on the downturn. We need to wait. Give it some times. Now the next pop, this is a pullback, beautiful candle. The next pop that it does as a green candle, once it surpassed 73,000, we just waiting for next week. This thing is gone to the moon, team. I'm not making this thing up. This is the daily chart. You guys could follow it. I mention it. You see, this is my weekly chart. My MACD is activated. So I strongly believe maybe 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, I'm not sure. But I have a strong feeling that Bitcoin is gonna break sometime after the election. But I was able to profit a nice 4,000 point advantage at the beginning of the week before this brutal negative market did a pullback. Okay, so team, again, thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. That was the breakdown. Now if you guys want, I'm gonna go ahead and see what kind of earnings. Let's do a quick earning check to see what's happening today on FinViz. Okay, today it's about 48. Okay, let me see which one the Fubo. There is nothing that I really like here, but it wouldn't matter because I'm gonna go ahead and trade anyway my ETF, and whichever the direction is showing, that's where I'm gonna be going. I'm curious about Wayfair. Let me look at Wayfair W. I just want to see stock. I just want to see what Wayfair has to offer. 1 second here. Let's go here. Wayfair is not something that I would trade. The volume, the candles, as you guys can see, it's too small. There is nothing really. So again, team, I want to congratulate all the one that took profit from Bitcoin, and all my SPY and QQQ traders. We're looking forward to make some more money. The market right now seems like it's in a bullish trend. Okay. So NVDA seems like it's doing a reversal trying to get momentum on reversal right now. Okay, so any exciting news when it comes to CNBC? Let's see what the markets, the Nasdaq seems like is up a little bit. Great news about Apple. I think they have some kind of I think that they're coming out with an iPhone 16, something like that, soon. So we have to just see. We don't trade by emotion, team. We just look at what's happening in the news, and from there we take it from there. Okay, no need to panic. There is a lot of stuff happening, a lot of stuff. All right, team. Again, thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit, and we're gonna go ahead and close the chat. Thank you.